Vancouver Coastal Health telling us tonight they have confirmed a second case of measles in the city, and they're saying the patient who has been confirmed as having that case is a youth, either of school age. Now, they haven't confirmed whether or not we're talking about a grade school youth or someone who's in high school, but they do say that individual contracted it locally. Now, that is different from the previous case where it was believed that the measles was brought in by someone who was visiting from overseas. Now, this case, it was someone who contracted the illness locally. Now, we do have a couple of details from Vancouver Coastal Health on what the measles, or how serious the measles is for someone who catches it. This is what they had to say.
Measles is a highly infectious disease, which sometimes has very serious consequences. Measles is transmitted through the airborne route. That means that when a person coughs, particles enter into the air, and anyone who's breathing that airspace, even if they have no direct contact with the sick individual, can become ill even up to 2 hours after that person has left the area.
Now, the symptoms of the measles include fever, cough, a runny nose, and red eyes. And that follows a few days later. People can expect to see a rash that starts on the face and then spreads to the chest.
2 doses of measles vaccine confer excellent protection against measles. So with 2 doses of vaccine, you're considered to be 99% chance of being immune to measles. And most cases now occur in people who were born after 1970 who either are unimmunized or who only have 1 dose of measles-containing vaccine.
Now, again, right now we're not hearing a lot about the identity of that patient, but we do know that, again, it is a youth who is either of grade school age or high school age. But for privacy concerns, the rest of the information there is not being shared just yet. And we are expecting to hear more, possibly as soon as tomorrow. In the meantime, Vancouver Coastal Health says they are continuing to investigate, and they have reached out to anyone who may have been exposed to the measles to ensure that they either have up-to-date vaccination records or go in for medical treatment. In Vancouver, David Zura, City News.